Okay? Start feeling the air around you. Start feeling the soil, the grass under your feet. Hear the noise of the neighbors. Hear the sound of the crickets. Hear the sound of nature. First Perma Youth Camp in the Philippines. Wala pang Perma Youth network dito sa Pilipinas. And I'm very happy and I'm very proud that it started in Calabarzon.
May we call on our candidates?
The major reason why nasisira ang ating kalikasan, ang planet natin, is because of agriculture. Right? So sabi nila, there must be a better way of doing agriculture. Gusto natin magtanim, there must be a better way. Gusto natin mag-grow ng food, baka meron mas magandang paraan. Okay? So that's why they thought of something that is, kumbaga, an alternative, a better way of doing agriculture without causing all these damages to the planet, to the human beings, diba? And everything in it. Okay? So they coined the term permaculture from two words, permanent and agriculture. Kasi the way, at the rate that we're using agriculture, mukhang hindi permanent eh. It's destroying everything.
Kakarampot na lang ba kaming umaakay sa may kabansa ng dalagitang kalikasan? Di naman kami napili, hindi rin naman pinilit, pero nasan na yung bayanihan? Way up, taga-taga-bawat, taga-taga-bawat, taga-taga-bawat. Way up, taga-taga-bawat, taga-taga-bawat, taga-taga-bawat.
Thinking and acting with one unified action. So, ito ay challenge sa akin personally na after nitong permaculture, ano kaya yung pwede kong gawin pag uwi ko sa aming bahay.
Pinagkatiwalaan pa naman tayo ng ating mga nuno ni 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 nuno. Meron ko pang magagawa, hindi ba huli ang lahat? Meron ko pang magagawa, hindi ba huli ang lahat? 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 Inaasahan tayo ng ating mga no ni 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 no ni